Getting up at 4:45 in the morning every day is getting easier and easier. Some days I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh my God, this is hard. But sometimes I wake up full of energy, and I'm just so thankful my body is starting to adapt to my new schedule. Becoming less reactive is a huge part of growth and decreasing stress. If you let everything get you worked up, you'll damage your mind, body, and your spirit. Hello, so today we are making some chicken tacos, one of my favorite meals ever. Right here I'm kind of just marinating the meat, getting it ready to be seasoned. There's my seasoning, and that was just a little bit of oil I put on there. If you don't know, let me tell you, this is not a 2-3 hour meal. This is a super 20-minute meal, something easy for when the kids come home or you're fresh out of work. 20-minute delightful meal. Get you right together. You will love this down, I promise. One thing I'm going to do is season my meat. I'm going to season some meat down. As you see there, in a few minutes you're going to see me pop, 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 pop some holes in there to get that moisture in there, that seasoning, and everything flowing accordingly for this meal. So for bell pepper, you can really do any color that you want to see in your meal. I like to do a yellow or sometimes an orange bell pepper for color. You're going to see my meat is already browning very nicely. I was ready to gobble this up then and there, but I'm like, wait, you're making chicken tacos. Okay, nobody can say I never shared anything with you all. That is wild rice, and it's a great addition to any meal you're cooking. It has a lot of flavor in there, and it's about 30 minutes to cook. Great addition to any meal. Go get you some. So I did go back and add some water to my meat so that it can get tenderized just a little bit more before chopping it up. Okay, let's have some fun. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Douce cocktail at home. That's the sugar rim, some ice, shot glass, Douce out the pocket. Boom, boom, boom. One shot, shot and a half. You want to do it right. That's the half. Lemonade. Shake, 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 shake. Shout out to bartending school. Taught me how to shake sexy. And some pocket Douce. Now back to our chicken tacos. As you can see, the meat is nice and tenderized as you need it to be. It's nice, juicy, and flavorful, ready to go right inside a taco. You know, I never used to be the girly that was an instant coffee kind of person. I didn't used to believe in that, but I am on instant coffee these days, and it saves me a lot of money.
I guess I gotta take my head wrap off. Oh my god. I'm at work, but I don't have to freaking work. I'm still doing training, y'all. Like, oh, that be the thing when you start a new position and it's so much paperwork. It is so much to do on the computer.
At some point towards the end of the week, I ended up taking myself on a solo date to one of my favorite little places. And I got me, of course, some tacos. One thing you guys will learn about me, I'm a taco fanatic. Taco Tuesday every day. That's a Remy lemon drop. So good. I was really shocked these tacos came out green with a green shell, but they were excellent per usual. That's a Priya taco. Priya. So I went and did a little Walmart run. So this is a Walmart haul of some of the woman toiletries I was able to grab. They even had this cute little orange outfit that I need for yoga, and I was shocked it was even in Walmart. This outfit is too cute and comfortable for like this mid-time weather. Guess who got a retwist? So I have an actual nail appointment coming up Thursday. However, I needed some props to be making my content. So I went to the beauty supply and I found these super cute press-on glasses. These press-on nails. I also got some glasses as well. That's why I say glasses. But I got these super cute press-on nails. And I was really shocked they're even still on my hands up to 48 hours later. They're really good quality. They were easy to apply. They came with glue. And I got them from my local beauty supplies, and I'll show you the brand at the very end. All of the products listed in this video will be in my description as well if you're interested in purchasing them.